Hi everyone, welcome to company review session. My name is Hitesh. I'm going to give a presentation on DMart. Introduction. It is a chain of hypermarket founded by Mr. Radhakrishna Damani in 2002. It has currently 196 stores in 72 cities in 11 states and its headquarters is located in Mumbai. Radhakrishna Damani. Before starting anything else, I would like to say a few words about the founder of DMart, Radhakrishna Damani. In his initial stages of his career, he was a stockbroker. Now he is one of the top richest investors in India. Before starting DMart, he owned a franchisee of Apna Bazaar. He was quite unsatisfied with the business model of Apna Bazaar, so he wanted to start his own chain of supermarkets. DMart is the chain of supermarkets that he started. Company profile. DMart was founded in 2002. Founder is Mr. Radhakrishna Damani. CEO is Mr. Nabil Noorhan and its headquarters is located in Mumbai. These are the mission and vision statements of DMart. Mission. It is to be the lowest priced retailer in the area of operation, city and region. Vision. It is our continuous endeavor to investigate, identify, make available new product categories for customers' everyday use and at the best value than anybody else. So these are the products which are offered by DMart: foods, toiletries, beauty products, garment, kitchenware, bed and bath linen, toys, games, and stationery, home appliances, and footwear. So these are the competitors of DMart, along with the percentage of market share they hold. Star, Hypercity, More, Spencer's, Reliance, Future Group, and others. From this slide, we can say that Reliance and Future Group are the major competitors of DMart as they hold more market share. But Reliance has recently acquired Future Group, so we can say that Reliance is the biggest competitor of DMart in Indian market. So when come to SWOT analysis, these are the strength of DMart: low prices, and it has a very good brand image. It is located in prime locations and it is very spacious. Uh, Coming to the weaknesses of DMart, these I found these two weaknesses of DMart. Even though it is located it is very spacious, but I feel that the space is not properly utilized. So, and one more weakness that I found is that uh, DMart doesn't sell any electronic equipments which are very high in demand. For example, it doesn't sell any mobile phones or laptops or electronic gadgets. So, if they sell electronic gadgets, it will be beneficial for both customers and themselves. So, while coming to opportunities, so retail sector in India is booming, and there is an increasing in mall culture in India. Nowadays, some people go to mall for having their lunch in the evening, and they have their lunch, they watch a movie, and while coming back to their home, they just buy some groceries. And if the DMart is located in any of the malls, which will be very helpful for them. And more people are willing to buy from places where everything is available in single roof under single roof. Threats. Competition in retail sector is very high, and even foreign players are also trying to invest in India in retail sector. Coming to Porter's 5 force model. Porter's 5 force model is a tool which reduces the risk and increases the profitability of the firm in long run. So, threat of new entrants. So, a new entrant in retail sector can be very dangerous for the existing customers. Sorry, for the existing players. So, Now, if we take the example of DMart, if Walmart enters the Hyderabad market, then it will be very there may be chances of DMart's customer base moving to Walmart. So the new entrance is also a threat for DMart. Threat of substitute products. If the competitor of DMart uh, reduces the price of substitute goods and increases the quality, then the customers will move from original products to the substitute products. Bargaining power of the supplier is very high, as he is the one who controls uh, price and quality of the product. uh, Bargaining power of the customer. If the customer finds any other store uh, which offers high quality of goods at lower prices, the customer base of DMart will move from DMart to those places. So when we come to financial analysis, if we can see, this slide shows the revenue of the DMart. So we can see that the DMart revenue is consistently growing. There is consistent increase in revenue of DMart. So this is the share price of DMart for the past 5 years. Uh, when it IPO'd for around 300 rupees. Now the share price of DMart is around 2500 rupees. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.